Okay, this module is going to cover asset couch, workflow module we built into the app for airports, hotels, your home at the end of the day.
So we just filled in a lot of data in the field. Exhaust fans, furnaces, everything on the roof. And now we want to go and put some more information into some of those assets that we didn't get in the field. So there's a mode called Asset Couch. So if you click here in the hamburger menu, right down here it says Asset Couch. It says a little coffee cup. Click on Asset Couch. And what it is if you were on the Target app at all, it's very similar to Target app. It gives you a big photo of your asset, and then it gives you inventory and assessment information so that you can zoom in, you can see the make, model, etc. So down here at the bottom is a list of all of your assets. This list is dynamic, so you can actually sort all the fields. If you click type, it'll sort by type. You can sort by make, model, etc. So if you see all of these furnaces that we had on top of the roof, we actually already filled out the make, model, serial because they were all very similar assets. We filled out one, we copied it, and then we edited it as we went along. However, if you scroll through the list, you can see a lot of this square D equipment, the electrical equipment that we had in the electrical room. We didn't fill out make, model, serial, etc. When you have a facility to project, these fields need to be filled out for mechanical, electrical, plumbing equipment, because when it gets copied over to facility dude, if it's not filled in, it'll raise an error and it's a headache for the reviewers. So I'm going to click right here on this asset, and what it'll do is it'll bring me right to switchboard building main. Click on my photo too, and then I can see all the information. So I'm going to start entering some information. Photo 3 has my asset tag, MHPB. So I'm going to type that in, MHPB. Square D already filled out, model. So for these electrical items, usually the model is just the cat number. 73145. Let's see, -3. And then serial number. Now there is no serial number on here, but I can't leave it blank. Click on that. I'm going to put no tag plate found. Barcode. This is not a barcode project, so I do not have to worry about filling that out. Capacity, you can see, looks like 600 is this section. I'm going to go to costing. So the only one I have is 800. I'm going to select that and then just change this to 600. And then I filled out some of my assessment information already. Because of the age and the EUL, you can see my RUL is -5. This does not need to be immediately replaced, so I'm going to change that. Probably RUL of like 10. Of course, that's up to your discretion. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my next item. So you can see the information that I entered in is now gets put in as what we call a sticky button. So it lets me immediately go and just click there, and it'll put an asset tag for me. You can see the asset tag has a star. Asset tag and model, or serial number, not model. Asset tag and serial number will get stars because those are unique items. Whereas model, you can have a lot of switchgear with the same model. So this one is actually pretty much the same, but it's -8. This is not MHPB. And you can see that I can zoom in while I'm typing. So if I couldn't see something, I can click on here and I can still zoom in and keep typing. Really nice feature of the app. MCSB. And then serial number, same thing, no tag plate found. Barcode, not going to worry about it. 600 amp. Pick this guy. Assessment, I filled in information, same exact thing. I want to change this RUL. And then you can see that stuff was red before because it was saying, hey, it's fair, it's life cycle renewal, but your RUL is -5. That can't happen. So as soon as I changed it, it changed from red. So now I can step through all my data and I can use those tags and just keep going through and keep editing my data.